Machine learning, overfitting and underfitting. So, building a machine learning model is not just about feeding the data. There are a lot of deficiencies that affect the accuracy of any model. So, overfitting and underfitting in machine learning are such deficiencies that hinder the accuracy as well as the performance of the model. So, overfitting in machine learning. So, a statistical model is said to be overfitted when we feed it a lot more data than necessary. So, to make it relatable, imagine trying to fit into oversized apparel. So, when a model fits more data than it actually needs, it starts catching the noisy data and inaccurate values in the data. And as a result, the efficiency and accuracy of the model decreases. Underfitting in machine learning. So, in order to avoid overfitting, we could stop the training at an earlier stage, but it might also lead to the model not being able to learn enough from training data that it may find it difficult to capture the dominant trend. This is known as underfitting. So, the result is the same as overfitting: inefficiency in predicting outcomes.